Alright. I'm showing up a little bit late today, but I don't think it really matters. So, Ford, midday, around lunch, my time. One New York really decided to lose its mind. They're not the only ones. GM did it. X did it. GE, it was really across the whole board. So I'm not really all that worried about this drop as of right this second, because that affected many of the stocks. But GM actually went red. Ford is still green. So you can see GM had a red day. So price is hovering low. So it's going to come in right in this area. So it's going to come in low. Oh, wrong screen. So wow, I can't believe I did that. All right. So Ford, this big drop. GM did the same thing. X and GE, you can see they all did the same thing right around the afternoon. So that's why I'm not too worried about Ford right this second. It is going to be gapping down a little bit. As I was showing, it's going to come in right above this mark right here. I kind of want to see what it's going to do. If it goes down, I think that's going to be okay, as long as we really don't start seeing, you know, 380. I don't know if I would want to sell at 380, 1380. You can see there's a lot of people stacking up at 14, so I think 14 is going to hold. Not too many people stacking up on the sell side yet, but I'm expecting that to change rapidly. We're a minute till open. Market's not really looking all that hot today, so we're just gonna kind of take it slow. I had a red day yesterday, so I guess we could take a look at Cabo real quick. Beautiful, and is gapping up today. So we're gonna move our stop loss later, but I want to watch Ford. So 30 some odd seconds from the bell, 30 seconds from the bell. When we're about a few seconds from the bell, I'll go ahead and mute my microphone so you don't hear the bell being echoed. So let's try to make some money. Alright, well, there's the bell. Ford straight down to 14. Broke through.
SBFM.
Somewhat expecting that. SBFM. We'll just keep an eye on it.
GMBL. Beat.
I'm gonna turn down the sound on this computer. So Good volume.
LIZI.
So yeah, today we took some losses. So I really want to work on keeping our gains. The one thing that sucked was the one stock that I bought yesterday. We'll take a look at it here later. But it really ended up doing well after I'd gotten out of it. That always seems to be the case. It's kind of really annoying. My Kaba stock is doing okay. BNGO.
MMAT. CGC. PHUN.
Change from open.
TBLT.
So yeah, since I've lost a little bit of money, we're going to switch to a little bit smaller sizes again.
BNGO. AKAN. CGC.
Alright, we'll just take a look at it since things are kind of going slow. So
ACB.
this was the stock that I lost money on. I ended up buying into it again up in here.
MMAT.
Started to make some money. But then when it pulled back, I was waiting, and it dropped. Sold here. I think it was on this candle. Right in here, I sold. Spiked up. Was kind of kicking myself in the butt, but didn't want to buy again. All the way down. But if I just stayed in it,
FRSX.
going into the afternoon, I would have been fine. So 820 to 875. Sometimes you just don't know, though. You don't know. It could have done the complete opposite, like it did here. Just go straight down, but not go back up at all. But Whenever that happens, it really sucks. Ford is having this downtrend scenario.
TINB.
No. See, I knew I saved it. Nope, not that bad. I was about to say no. I know I saved that. Wow, this was all the way up by $8 at one time. Yeah, and one day went from 4, spiked at 8, and then crashed. God, that really took some people's money. No, I didn't want that one. FSRD. Super cheap. Which I'm not a big fan of these, but you know what? I mean, $90. No, I'm not going to. No, damn it. I'm just clicking on all the wrong things today.
SNES. FSRD.
Today looks like it's just going to be one of those days. So with that being the case, let's look at some possible long-term investments. So X we'll buy 100 of that.
FSRD.
I'm thinking X could hopefully do a good climb up. That's going to be a long-term play. X will be a long-term. GM. Don't want to do this one. It's
FRSX.
so we just did X, so we can see doing okay. No, that's not what I wanted. And then dividends isn't much. GM overall is doing good, but I don't want to buy GM right this second. I think it might be slightly overpriced.
LIZI.
Not necessarily. I don't know if I would say overpriced, but
SI. FSRG.
I'll just buy 100 of this. I think that might be a mistake, but you know, it's having a really good pull forward right now. If it comes back up to here, I'll make a little bit. I feel better about this trade than I did the other one. If it jumps all the way back up, I mean, that would be really great, but having a target anywhere or really above the 1.6 I think would be not very likely. So if this breaks above 100 or above $1, creating an alert at or above, at or above. So this might be just for a quick swing trade. D. This stock has hit twice now.
PHUN.
So it's already gone up in price 100%.
GMBL.
Since yesterday. The thing about that I don't like about these is the price can just, it's hard to watch it on the ladder. It can change very, very, very rapidly. The volume can, you know, spike in and out like crazy. It can really do a lot of different things, and none of them I like.
SI. FSRG. TTCF.
I'm just gonna put that on my list. I'm just gonna watch it. I don't want to trade it. And watch it go up to 30 cents. If you get in now and it goes up to 30 cents, I mean you'd be killing it.
INO.
Alright, well, I've already sold some, or made some money here. Not really, but it's better than nothing. Made money there, better than nothing. Cabo, we're still doing good. Ford, you took my money for today. So Cabo, we're gonna go ahead and move the stop loss up to there. Actually, we'll move it to there. It's doing pretty much what I was wanting it to do. So I'll keep an eye on it, let it do its thing. Okay. Just do your thing. Do your thing. So right now the only thing that's not making me money is Ford. I mean, I'm in the money. But not in the money today. So I can't even be angry at Ford. Because, I mean, that can happen. So
GMBL. LIZI. PHUN.
okay, so that's still continuing. I think the target range that I was thinking is actually going to be actually very doable. It's going to break 100. But not big risks today. And throughout the day, I'll check on this one. Caba, we'll keep an eye. But that's a free 142 X. If it drops down, I might buy more of that. I don't know.
FSRG. INM.
Alright, so I think that's going to be the end of the stream today. Very simple trading. Might be looking at seeing what Ford does in the next few days. Could be me wanting to buy some more. I might buy some more if it drops down to here. 3.5, 13.5. That's actually kind of funny. That's where GTA was saying he wanted to buy some more. I might load up at the 13.8.
FSRG.
Dividends was higher than it was back there. That's kind of nice. I mean, it's always nice when the company just, when your stock just goes, hey, here's free money. The amount of dividends, like, I could have bought 4 stocks for free. You know, I'm feeling pretty confident with.
LIZI.
I was feeling pretty confident where I was. I just kind of took a tank. I mean, I'm at $1.65. Do I sell it and just take my money? Or do I let it run? Well, or do I buy more?
INM.
No, I'm not gonna buy more because I was basically like, I would risk the full amount. So if it crashes, it crashes. I think it could do quite well. I think it can break above $1. But the stock market has been a little finicky.
NUWE.
So switching to the other screen, I'll just bring this over. I mean, it's pretty ugly. But I mean, if we do anything good here, we'll be alright. Alright, so some quick news. I did buy into a company, not on the stock market. I now own 50% of a company. I'm not going to say too much yet, but there's going to be a lot of cool videos coming out. I will have a personal update about myself coming up soon. Pretty soon. But that will be its own video. So I'm just kind of like looking at the screen everywhere. Ford is still going down, as you can see. Um, I'm going to be moving some more money into my trading account probably a little bit later on this month. I may only want to onboard that towards the end of next week, or the end of this reporting month, which at the point that I will count it as a new month, which would be on the 26th. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of November will actually be on the next month. Or actually, I might do it the other way. Yeah, so no, I'm gonna put a few days of next month in this month. So December 3rd will be the end of this month for for my charting purposes. So I won't move that money in until probably do it on Friday the 2nd. So that's going to give me some time to try to get some extra money put
Today
up.
we're taking
Get some extra money put up from eBay. I want to try to fund this account a little bit more. Especially when I start taking some more long-term trades like X. I think X is a really good stock if you can start trading it off and on. It has really good swings where you can get a couple $100 in a day. And it moves semi-predictably, which is the thing that I like. Same thing I like about Ford. And maybe start taking larger share sizes on Ford. My Cava stock, man, it's just... My Cava stock is killing it. Who would have thought? I mean, from right down there to there, that's really nice. Really, really nice. And we're just gonna walk that up. So each day we'll just slowly keep moving that stop loss up. But I can close this. Tomorrow, I may trade I might not. Intel. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but anyway, I'm going to get off of here. I got a little bit to do on the computer for the new company business structure that I want to get together. I might be going live at a different location. So you'll have to see. Anyway, take care.